Welcome to day number 5, I think. So today I'm going to show you how I wired up, just with the diagram here, my liquor cabinet, which has been coming for a long time. I just haven't done this. But I'm going to show you the diagram. I'll see if I can try and explain it a little bit, but it might be best to just pause the video and look at the diagram and just do exactly what I have here. So let's just get to that. This is the diagram. There's the power supply, 4 relays. 2 of them are, because these switches are momentary switches, meaning if you push it, that it pops up, it doesn't stay latched. So there's 2 latching a relay for each switch to latch them, so you press it, and this relay will keep power until the kill switch is hit, and then it disconnects the power to that. And then there's 2 relays that reverse the polarity, so the motor spins the other way to let the cabinet down or let the cabinet up. So first of all, we can start with the positive, and you can see it goes to the... I forgot to mention, you want to put a fuse right here off of the power. So put that fuse in. It comes down, and then it goes into the 85 of this. This is the reversing relays. It goes into 85 and 86. And then also into 87, both 87s of each one, and then goes into the 85 of the up switch and the 85 of the down switch for the latching relays. So that's the positive. And then for the negative, you go up like this, and it splits, comes to the middle of the reversing, the 87A. That's where your negative goes. And then also we'll start with the up switch, comes, that's where you put a kill switch. So when the motor reaches its height you want, this switch will activate and kill the power to the motor, which stops it. So it goes to that first, and then it goes to that kill switch first, and then comes around. Oh, and then comes around and goes down into the 87 of the latching relay, and then also goes up into the switch, and the switch goes back around, and then goes into the 86 and 30 of the latching relay, and the 86 of the reverse polarity relay. So that was the up switch. Then for the down switch, it's exactly the same thing. So it goes into your kill switch, will be at the bottom when it reaches the bottom of the where it's closed. It'll hit that switch, killing all power to the relays, which resets the relay. So it goes down, comes here, goes into the down switch relay, latching relay, and then comes up, or it goes around to the switch, comes down, goes into the 87 of reverse polarity relays, and to 30 of the latching relay. And then when it goes to the motor, it goes to the motor through these ones, and on one of these, I don't think it matters which one is which, just as long as you do it the same. It goes from the 30, it wouldn't matter which one it would go, it would be either this will be down or that'll be up. So you'd have to, so it goes from the 30, one of them of the reverse polarities goes from the 30 to the negative, and the other one goes from the 30 to the positive, and there you have it. So I think it'd probably be easiest just to pause the video, take a screenshot of this or whatever, and just do it like that. Probably just be easiest to do that, because I might have screwed it up explaining it or something, or made it more confusing than it needs to be. So anyways, that's the video for today. Hope it helped if anybody was wanting to build this. It took a lot of me trying to figure this out, because when I did it, there was no videos how to do these together. I found videos of how to make a latching relay to make a switch have power until the power was killed to it, and then I found a separate video of making a reversing relays, which you need 2 relays for. And these are just automotive relays. Just get them wherever you get relays from. So then I had to figure out how to put them together to make this work. But it's been working for me, so hopefully it works for you. And maybe see you tomorrow. We'll see. I don't know. Later. Subscribe, comment.